Hey guys, this is how to deposit your dog to your Bybit exchange, because that's the only exchange available for Nigerians. Okay, this is it. Go to your dog, click on deposit to exchange, select exchange, click on continue, click on Bybit, click on Bybit. Do not deposit to OKS, click on Bybit. Okay, click on yes, I have it. You can see the 3 details that are supposed to fill up: your Bybit UID, your dog deposit address, and your memo. Okay, you can get your UID here. This option here, click on UID, then fill it up, and let's get the deposit address and memo, and click on asset, click on deposit, click on deposit crypto, search for dog. Okay, dog is already here, but search for it, click on done. Then this is where you need to be very careful. Copy the address, this wallet address. Also copy the memo and see the memo here. Everyone have his own memo. So make sure you copy your own memo. Do not put another person's memo. Then go back and fill it up. Put the address, then put the memo. That's it. Then click on send. You can see it. Click on I confirm. That's it. We are good to go. So they're going to deposit my Bybit exchange before 20th of this month.